It's mother versus daughter, Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you want to see what we each got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's hanging out with my mom who's making dinner. But if you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So these are our Ipsy Glam Bags, and we each get one. I did subscribe for her for the year because she's been getting more into skincare and makeup than she was previously. This month the theme is The Great Escape.
I love it.
And I have a little product card.
So do I.
She does. Yeah, but is it a product card or is it just input, like,
Product
you gotta
card.
open it up. Sometimes it has, oh, okay, yep.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh, something in there might have spilled.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
I
so
love this one.
you want to pull out your first product
Sure.
in the bag? Cute. Rise. What you got?
I got Tutti Frutti fruit extract blemish stickers.
And those are by Fruit of the Gods?
No, Dew of the Gods.
Oh, Dew of the Gods, sorry.
Oh,
Dew of the
oh my
Gods.
God! Didn't I get like a face mask by them?
You did, yep. That's the Fuji one that you love, that you got in your Busy Beauty box?
Yeah, I love that one. Hey cutie, let's go fruity. Our hydrochloride blemish stickers are infused with citric acid to help. I ain't reading it all of that. But what kind of fruit is that?
I don't know. It's, it has hydrocolloidal to help clean and neutralize your blemishes with citric acid, vitamin C, and tea tree oil to calm, tone, and exfoliate them. And that's a deluxe sample.
Alright.
And by Lottie London, I got this quad. This is the Rose Patio.
And so did I.
And these are deluxe samples.
They're really pretty. I think we got the same ones, right?
Yeah, we got the same ones.
Yeah. So that knocks another item off mine, so you can pull another one out.
All right. So, because we got two, one of these will be going to one of you viewers out there. All right, I got,
Oh, I got that last time.
yeah. This is a brush for your concealer, so it goes really nice, like right there. That's a full-size item. It is by SLMISS Glam, and that is a $22.50 value.
It says VC collection.
YC, so that's by Yensa Collection.
Oh.
It is the Authentic Glazed Highlighter, liquid highlighter in Cocoa Flakes.
Oh, how am I supposed to?
That is a full size, and it is $16 value.
I'm just gonna swatch it.
It says tap onto the high points of your face or mix into your foundation or moisturizer.
Let's see.
This also has squalene that helps your skin barrier be strong and healthy.
Alright. Hair on this already? Alright.
So,
Yeah,
you
this side,
want
right?
to show them? Put your hand up.
Over here? Where?
Mhm.
Right here?
Yeah. And by Trust Fund Beauty, I have the LeBrow eyebrow gel. I'm hoping that this is a clear. Let's take a look. Yes, it is.
Oh, cool. I've been looking for mine because I haven't been able to find it.
Well, probably in the room somewhere.
Yeah. Not here at our house.
And this is a deluxe sample, but it's a nice size.
Yeah, it's just the packaging. This is Hear Me Raw, the detoxifier, purifying rub-off mask. Also, nothing in here leaked.
Oh, well, that's weird then.
The next item is securely closed.
I have by Grown Alchemist the anti-pollution primer, and this is a deluxe sample.
And lastly, I have rehydrating ginseng toner by LMS.
Yep.
It's a facial toner. Cool.
And my last item is
The highlighter.
the highlighter. So we are going to take these two items and
What about
put them
this?
aside.
You already have one of these.
Oh no, I would use that, trust me. I need a concealer brush here, and my concealer brush at home is almost dead.
Wow.
Yeah, I have used it to within an inch of its life.
So you're also gonna steal mine.
No, we'll have one at home and one here.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna do a little mini giveaway. What word should they use?
Ipsy.
Ipsy? That's kind of obvious. They gotta use
Giveaway?
a sentence. Really? How about oranges? Because there's oranges on that brush. Or no, this is the rose gold palette, so use the word rose in a sentence.
Alright.
All right? Does that work?
Sure.
Okay.
Or how about blanket?
Blanket. Because you're wrapped in a blanket and it's 90 degrees down here. Okay. All right. Use the word blanket. Flashing on the screen right now, or not flashing, but it's on the screen right now. Blanket. If you want to be entered for this little mini giveaway, it's a little mini giveaway, so winning this one will not inhibit you from winning a future giveaway, even if it's a one that comes up soon, because it is just a little mini two-piece. Okay, that's all we have for you for now. Oh, the bags are the refreshment bags. That's kind of a cheat, I think, but okay. It'll go into this refreshment bag, and we will send that out to you. And the timeline on that will be, what do you think, 1 week or 2 weeks?
Let's do 1 week.
It's a quick grab, right? So 1 week from when this gets posted, you will we will notify through a community post. I know not everybody gets community posts, because if you're going on an iPad, you don't see the community posts. So if I don't hear from you, I will try to tag you on Instagram or in the comments, and we'll take it from there. But all of the rules will be down below, and make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you want to be entered, and hopefully we'll see you soon.